Good morning, and welcome to week 2 of CMST275. I am contacting you this morning using Google Glass. Google Glass, if you don't know what it is, it's a wearable computer technology, and interesting enough, somewhere around page 220 of our textbook, they talk about, the authors talk about wearable technology. I have to find exactly where it's at because I don't remember off the top of my head. But what's interesting is that this book, which was written a while ago, so it's unfortunate, but it's probably one of the best books when it comes to explanation of terminology for terms and concepts and theories regarding computer-mediated communication. Anyways, it's fun to think that this book, which was written about and updated about 10 years ago, and the last reprint was 2011. It's interesting to note that this book actually talks about wearable computer technology. And I thought it would be fun to start my videos off using Google Glass because I'm an explorer for the program, so I'm one of the people who are exploring Google Glass and trying to figure out how it works and how it works in my daily life. And I thought I would give all of the weekly announcements to you using Glass because it's fun. So this is a little bit of view of my apartment, and this is why I got this small apartment, is the view outside. Right here, as you can see, we have some beautiful water, although the sky is not so pretty today. So today, I'm just going to give us a quick overview of what we're going to be doing in class. Let me get back to my computer. And remember, you can always find your to-do list when you go into the class. I'm not sure if you can see this really well, but I'm going down my computer to week 2. Week 2's to-do list. Now, I've already gotten one question about where I can find the chapters in the book. And I didn't put chapters in our reading simply because some of us are using a hardbound textbook and some of us are using the e-textbook. And it's kind of hard to give page numbers in the e-textbook. But what you'll notice, and I'm going to look down at our textbook right now, our textbook is broken up into what the authors call strands. Can you see that? Strand 1, Strand 2, Strand 3, and Strand 4. We might call these parts, like Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, and Part 4, but they call them strands. And under each strand is a unit. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, and so on and so forth. So when I assign readings, what I'm assigning is the strand that you need to read from, and then the unit. In this case, for week 1, I've asked everybody to read Strand 1, Unit 1, and that's defining CMC, an introduction to the field. That starts on page 14. And Strand 2, Unit 1, and that's online ethics and international inquiries. That starts on page 82. Make sure to read the introduction as well, okay? So that's kind of a quick explanation of how this book is broken up and how you can find the different strands. You're also going to be doing one of your first social media tasks this week. You have a reading quiz and a discussion due this week. And everything is listed on the to-do page of your in your virtual classroom, okay? And this week is starting the week where we start to basically do what we're going to do generally in this class, the pattern that we're going to be working on, discussion, social media, and reading quiz. And every week I will be giving you a short video using Google Glass, kind of letting you know what's coming up and what we're going to be talking about. And so that's it for right now. I hope that you have an enjoyable week. Remember, I am only an email away, and I answer all my emails within 24 hours, 48, of course, on the weekends, because I actually am not online in the weekends. And I look forward to talking to you. Until that point, though, I'll see you on the discussion boards. Okay, you guys have a great day. I'll leave you with a happy view